Now, let's do a slightly different problem. So you are given a general term and you have to find required terms from them. So we'll give you Tn and you just have to find the term which you are asked to find. So related, slightly different. So let's say Tn is n square plus 1 and you are required to find Tn minus 1, T3 and Tm. So you have to find three terms, Tn minus 1. Now, what is n minus 1? The term just before the nth term. The nth term is what? N square plus 1. But the rule doesn't change. All you have to do is, instead of n, put the term number. The term number is n minus 1. There you go. You can simplify it if you like. N square plus 1 minus 2n plus 1. So that will be n square minus 2n plus 2. So this is the first one. Now we want the third term. Again, the term number has to be substituted in the formula for Tn. So 3 square plus 1, you will get it as 10. Then they want Tm. So fine, the term number is m. So instead of n, put m. So you'll get m square plus 1. The idea here basically is to understand that once you have Tm, all you have to do is replace n by the various term numbers and you will get the required term. Let's look at one more example. Tn is equal to minus 1 to the power n. And you are required to find T2, T4 and Tn minus 1. So let's start with T2. As I said, replace n with the term number. Minus 1 square will be plus 1. T4. Again I replace n by 4. Again plus 1. Tn minus 1. Replace n by n minus 1. Now we do not know whether n minus 1 is even or odd. So just leave it there and your job is done. Let's look at one more example. Tn is 3 minus n square. And you have to find T1 and Tn plus 1. So T1 replace n by 1. 3 minus 1 square gives you 2. Tn plus 1. 3 minus n plus 1 the whole square. You can simplify it further. N square plus 1 plus 2. While you are expanding, better to keep the terms in the bracket and then just expand it. Minus n square minus 1 minus 2n. Remember, minus goes, says hello to all the three terms. Minus into n square, minus n square, minus into 1, minus 1, minus into 2n, minus 2n. Now we can try to simplify. 3 minus 1 will be 2. So 2 minus 2n minus n square. I am trying to keep it in some order. So this is a term without any n to the power 1, n to the power 2. You could have written it anyway, but generally it's good to have the term in some kind of order. If you wanted it in a descending order, it could also have been written like this. But generally we like to start with a positive number, but both are equally correct. Let's look at another example. Look at one more problem. Tn is n square plus 1 by n square minus 1. And you have to find Tn minus 1 and T3. Let's find Tn minus 1. Instead of n, put n minus 1. So we'll get n minus 1 square plus 1. Then here n minus 1 square minus 1. Let's simplify it. N square minus 2n plus 1 plus 1. N square minus 2n plus 1 minus 1. So this will be n square minus 2n plus 2 by n square minus 2n. And that is good enough. Of course, little more simplification is possible, but not desirable. Just for the sake of completion, I'll just factorize the denominator a bit. There. So that is another one, but both are equally correct.